We combine the precision of traditional surveying with the power of modern geomatics. Our work is not just to measure the terrain, but to capture, interpret, and transform spatial reality to make smarter and safer decisions. Conventional surveying remains the foundation of all engineering projects. We use total stations to measure angles and distances, RTK antennas with rovers to obtain real-time geodetic coordinates, and optical or laser levels to ensure vertical accuracy. These instruments allow us to establish permanent control points, ensuring that each project remains within the same coordinate system and facilitating future stakeouts. Geomatics is the natural evolution of surveying. It's not just about using drones, it's a set of techniques that combine sensors, georeferencing, and massive data analysis. A geomatic flight can capture 50 times more information in 1,000 times less time, generating digital models, orthophotos, and 3D surfaces. We no longer see lines and points, we see a topography as it exists in reality, with colors, textures, and volumes. There are different types of drones depending on the needs of each project. Drones with RGB cameras capture true color images, ideal for orthophotos, 3D models, and volume calculations. Drones with laser sensors can penetrate vegetation and record millions of points, even under foliage. They are perfect for environmental, forestry, and road corridor studies, and anywhere altimetric precision is required. They are widely used for final surveys, existing condition assessments, and inspections of structures such as bridges, overhead power lines, and towers, among others. RGB data allows you to see the terrain as it is and can be easily viewed on a computer, tablet, or mobile device. Its accuracy ranges from 2 to 5 centimeters, depending on the requirements, which is sufficient for measuring areas, distances, and slopes. It also allows you to calculate cut and fill volumes, generate contour lines, and produce realistic 3D renderings. Flights with the camera at an angle allow for higher quality 3D captures. There are different data capture techniques. Each work plan is a custom-made product designed to capture in detail what the client needs. LiDAR takes precision to another level. Each laser pulse captures 200,000 points per second, reaching the surface, even through tree leaves, and generating millions of points with exact coordinates. With this data, we create perfect digital terrain and surface models for analyzing relief, runoff, flood zones, and slope stability. LiDAR reaches where the human eye and RGB cannot. In processing the captured information, we classify each point into a layer, allowing us to generate a DEM, digital elevation model, of the surface, including buildings and trees, or a DTM, digital terrain model. We can measure the catenary of a cable, calculate areas, and measure every element in the image, such as tree height, diameter, road width, pavement deformation, and much more. The brown dots you see in the video are the points captured on the terrain despite the many trees. All this and much more was captured while the roads were operating, pedestrians were moving freely, and in airport areas, interruptions lasted only a fraction of a second compared to the conventional method. The entire project area was captured in the palm of your hand. Geomatics is a tool for all sectors. Developers needing large-scale, low-cost feasibility studies, builders looking to verify progress and compare design versus execution, urban planners requiring cadastral analyses or detection of unauthorized construction, environmental teams inventorying species and georeferencing habitats, and coastal projects analyzing water levels, flood zones, and natural setbacks. With a single survey, everything is recorded, even what didn't need to be measured that day. Geomatics doesn't replace surveying, it enhances it. It transforms plans into three-dimensional models full of real-world information. At Skytech-Geo, we convert the land into precise data, and data into smart decisions. Because seeing the terrain in 3D is no longer the future, it's the present.
Skytech-Geo, surveying with vision.